Dhokla is a vegetarian food item that originates from the Indian state of Gujarat. It is made with a fermented batter derived from rice and split chickpeas. Dhokla can be eaten for breakfast, as a main course, as a side dish, or as a snack. Dhokla is very similar to Khaman, and the terms are frequently used interchangeably. Every Gujarati eat 1.7 kg Dhokla per year means 6 crore Gujarati eats almost 10 crore kg Dhokla with market revenue of 1,000 crore per year with growth of businesses almost 22% per year in Gujarat. History: Dhokla, a pulse-based precursor of the Dhokla, is mentioned in a Jain work dated to 1066 CE. The earliest extant work to mention the word Dhokla is the Gujarati Varanaka Samachaya. Preparation: rice and split chickpeas, in a particular ratio, are soaked overnight. The mixture is ground, and the paste is fermented for 4 to 5 hours or overnight. This is spiced by adding chili pepper, coriander, ginger and baking soda. The essential ingredient is rice and its color is mostly dark yellowish. 1. The fermented batter is then steamed for about 15 minutes on a flat dish and cut into pieces. These chopped pieces are seasoned in hot oil with mustard seeds. Asafoetida and chopped green chilies can also be fried and, sometimes, an equal amount of water and a little sugar is added to this oil. The pieces are then removed from dish. Sometimes it is also fried in hot oil with cumin seeds. It is usually served with deep-fried chilies and chutney made of coriander. It is garnished with coriander and often with grated coconut. 2. One other way is that, the fermented batter is steamed for 15 minutes in a plate placed inside a container that does not let the steam out. To avoid steam water to fall on the batter while preparation, there is a cloth placed before closing the container lid. Inside the container the plates are directly not placed on base, or else the batter will burn due to heat, so there is a small stand kept. When batter is steamed properly, the plates are taken out of the container and then served with raw oil, mostly oil poured over dhokla, or used as dip. Some people like curd, tomato sauce, garlic paste or coriander paste, however none of these is traditionally eaten with dhokla. Types of dhokla: there are different kinds of dhokla prepared with different ingredients and ratios of chickpeas. Some of the popular kinds of dhoklas are Kata dhokla, Razia dhokla, Khandavi dhokla, cheese dhokla, chor dal dhokla, sandwich dhokla, ralwa dhokla, mixed dal dhokla, green peas dhokla. Khaman is a similar gram flour-based food. Whereas dhokla is made with rice and chickpeas, Khaman is made from chickpeas only. It is generally lighter in color and softer than dhokla. To make dhokla, a small proportion of baking soda is added, while in Khaman more baking soda is added to make it more fluffy, spongy and porous. Idada is another variety of dhokla, which is made by using different lentils like black grams, also known as urad dal, instead of chickpea. Dhokla: a dhokla is a spongy savory cake made of gram flour, suji or rice powder. Dhokla recipe is a very popular Gujarati dish prepared in almost every household in India. Be it besan dhokla, suji dhokla, chor dhokla or Khaman dhokla, the art of preparing each of the recipes lies in apt steaming. Dhokla can be served as breakfast, evening snack or even as an appetizer. Garnished with split green chilies, mustard seeds, grated coconut and coriander leaves, this dish can be served with tamarind chutney accompanied with green coriander or mint chutney. Sometimes, coconut chutney is also served along with this snack. It can be made a day earlier and stored in an airtight container in the refrigerator and can be served to the guests on the following day. See also: List of fermented foods, List of steamed foods, Can't v. References